so that's how I know that one's internal, put in the
Yes,
nerve spine.
yes. And typically, that inferior gluteal, typically these two arteries kind of line up. Like, see how this is here, and then this one kind of lines up right with it, it's just inferior.
No,
And for this model,
no, the other one lines up better.
and, no, not really. I mean, but anyway, Ms. Smith, do you recall the sacrotuberous ligament?
No,
This is the sacrotuberous ligament. Do you see how inferior gluteal is kind of lying right next to that?
yeah.
So you can use that as a landmark.
Okay.
Okay, now, right here below piriformis, you can see the large sciatic nerve, and this little nerve right here that makes a Y, that's your posterior femoral cutaneous. Now, on that model, on this model, it looks like you see two little branches. It's really coming out and making a Y shape. That's going to be your posterior femoral cutaneous, and it's lying right there beside sciatic. Now, this is internal pudendal artery, and this is pudendal nerve. This nerve comes down, and it's gonna spray out underneath this area.
Does it always form that wide?
Huh?
Does it always form that wide?
It does on this model. I'm not gonna say it always forms the Y, because if you look at this model, and so that's why, you know, every model is kind of different. Look at this model. That's the piriformis on that. It looks wider and thicker on this model. And here you see it sciatic, and here you see in the posterior femoral cutaneous. So you need to look at each one of the models, because each model kind of gives you a different view. I mean, literally. So, right here, see the floor of this model, this is the floor.